This is CCEA A2 Pure Mathematics. We're looking at some integration past paper questions, and this one then is from C4 June 2014 question 3, and it's integration by substitution. Use the substitution equals 3x minus 5 to evaluate this. So it's going to be the integral between 3 and 2 of 6x upon the square root of 3x minus 5 dx. We're going to use u equals 3x minus 5, and of course we'll need to find then du by the x, which gives us 3, and we'll also need to find dx by the u, which we substitute then into this, which is going to be 1 over 3. We may need to rearrange this as well, so we'll see what happens with that in just a wee second. Anyway, integral between 3 and 2 of 6x, and then I'm going to change that to the power of a half. I hope you're okay with that. U to the power of a half dx by du. So let me see where we're going to go then with this. So it's going to be the integral between 3 over 2. I need to work out what 6x equals. So I know that 3x equals u plus 5. So I'm happy then that 6x is going to be 2u plus 10. So I can change this then to a 2u plus 10 upon u to the power of a half upon a third du. Next thing then I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change my limits. So we know that we have x equals 3 and x equals 2. I maybe should have done that officially before, but that's okay. And substituting 3 into here, 3 times 3 is 9, take away 5, so that gives me a 4. Substituting 2 into here, it's going to give me a 1, so I'm actually integrating then between 4 and 1. So the integral then between 4 and 1, let's try and tidy this up now as well. Let me see what way I want to do this. So I'm going to be a third. What would we do with a third? So it's going to be 2/3 u to the power 3 over 2. Are we okay with that? Times the 2u by u to the power of a half. So 1 plus a half is 3 over 2, and then dividing them by the 3. Plus 10 over 3 u to the power of a half du. I'm now ready to integrate. Add 1 to the power gives me u to the 5 over 2. Divide by the new power, so 2/3 divided by 5 over 2 is the same as turning it upside down and multiplying, so that's the same as 4/15. Add 1 to the power, I get 3 over 2. Divide by the new power, so dividing them by 3 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2 over 3, so that would then 20 over 9. You can take your time with that, or just take it, do the fraction on a wee bit of paper right here if need be, and we get u then to the 3 over 2. 4 and 1. I'm sure most of you will now reach for your calculator and just substitute in the numbers. So you substitute in the numbers, so it's 4 to the power of 5 over 2 times 4/15 plus 20 over 9 upon 4 to the power of 3 over 2. And then we substitute in the number 1 into that. And I have it on good authority. The answer to that is 1072 over 45. If you're given that as an answer to 3 significant figures, it ends up being 23.8. 3 significant figures.